Hey guys, so a couple days ago on Instagram, I posted something about this beauty booster that's usually always on our store cart. It had a ticking expiry date. You can see it below. It says expire in 1 day, and then today was the day it was supposed to be expiring. So for a lot of you who've been around forever, 4 years ago, Walgreens issued this new program where you spend 50, you get 5,000 on earmarked beauty products. And this has never happened, or it's happened before, but then you get enrolled in it automatically. And I noticed this morning, because a friend of mine on Instagram pointed it out, Rioni21, she said, hey, it's completely gone. And if you go to the bottom of your digital coupons folder, that's where it typically is. And boom, usually have your 10 times every day and the beauty. And the beauty thing was gone. So I thought like her, I'm like, I'm just going to reapply for this. Maybe there's some design issue or they're changing something, but the beauty program is still in fact on their website. So it's still active. So this is just really confusing. So if you go over to your Walgreens, the front page, either on the app or on the website. I'm doing this on a website just to show you a little easier. If you go to balance rewards, this is exactly where you find the beauty club folder. So see where that red arrow is pointing? You are going to tap on that. And you're going to have to scroll halfway down the balance rewards page and see where it says beauty enthusiast learn more with that pink, it's in pink, bottom right hand corner. That learn more button you're going to have to press. And so see where it says sign me up. Now typically in the past, because I am already signed up, I don't have to sign up again, but I just pressed it for fun because like this is really perplexing and weird and kind of late for an April Fool's prank, Walgreens. So again, for those of you who are like, well, what's the program all about? You get 5,000 points when you spend 50 on beauty products that include cosmetics, nails, skincare, hair care, fragrance, beauty accessories, and bath products. And this is for men's body wash too. It's not just the ladies. So that's what the program is, and it tracks progressively. You don't have to buy $50 all at once. So this little button, I pressed it to re-sign myself up. Like I have nothing to lose at this point. And then guys, about a minute later, the email that's attached to my Walgreens account, I got this email right away saying, hey, it's official, you're in the club. So you have to press that button right in the center, let's go. And I pressed it thinking that the icon would appear back in my digital coupons folder saying, hey, you're in the club and everything's fine again. And it never did. So that's kind of, just like another thing for Tuesday. I'm really frustrated by this because I wish they would just figure it out. Because once they redesigned this app, it seemed like everything got really confusing. And I just want an easy, clean navigation experience. So anyhow, guys, back at the very bottom of my digital coupons folder, I have my 10 times every day, but no beauty. So I thought, man, something's really up with this. So what I decided to do was to chat with customer service. I was not in the mood to talk on the phone, and you have the option. So if you go to customer support at the very bottom, you have either the phone number option, very easy for you to look, just Google it. It's very easy. Or you have the chat, and a lot of people are like, well, how do you find the chat? It's right below the phone number on the website or the app. See that little button, need help live chat? That's exactly what I pressed. And then a rep came on. I'm not going to show her name. And she's like, hey, can I help you? And this is what I wrote. So I am me. And then the blackout is the rep. And it says, where is Beauty Club? I have signed up and my icon expired. I tried to re-sign in and nothing with my digital coupons folder, meaning like it's not there anymore. It's missing even with my a new sign up. And so she's like, okay, I'm going to look into this for you. And the lady was super nice too. And I was very nice too. I was just kind of direct with my communication because I'm like, hey, did you hear about this? Like, what's going on? And so we chatted for a couple of minutes, and then she looked into it. And this is the conclusion that she had for me: to log out and to log back in, and everything should be fine now. And that's exactly what I did. So I was chatting on my desktop computer. I logged out of my smartphone, logged back in, still nothing. So the rep asked me to wait 24 hours, and then the icon should show up again. And typically, I mean, that sounds correct from other things I've heard in the past. But just to let you guys know, I would go into your digital coupons folder, look for that icon of the Beauty Enthusiast program, and if you have to do the same like me, get on top of this thing. Don't buy any body wash or makeup products, because if it doesn't track, hey, that's not great, and you need everything to work to really make points and make bank over at Walgreens. And I would absolutely go into your digital coupons folder and check, and then log out, log back in like the rep told me, and wait 24 hours. Keep all of your receipts if you're making any purchases today, which is Tuesday, September the 1st, and keep track of everything and really be on the ball with this. And if this is way, way, way over your head, but I'm sure most of you that are here are signed up for the beauty club, because I know that beauty event that they have once a month. I know a lot of you do that, the beauty deals of spend 25 get 7,000. But like, this is just another curveball. This has never happened in 4 years of this program, so I'm not sure if they've changed something around or what, but let's just pay attention. Keep really good notes and be like super smart. Because I mean, I don't know, it's just like another thing this week, and it's like, I think you can maybe hear some frustration in my voice, but just keep a sense of humor about it, guys. I'm on top of this. Any changes, I'm not going to make a new video if the icon shows up. What I will do is on my community page of my YouTube and then on my Instagram, if this lady magically appears saying, hey, you're in Beauty Club, I'm definitely going to post a photo and let you guys know. But I want you guys to really keep on top of this, because this is both confusing and weird, and it just seems to be the theme this week, confusing and weird. So that being said, just be really on top of this one, guys. And before I take off, guys, I just want to talk a little bit about some bagels that I got this morning. So if you have a Panera in your community or city, there's a really good offer. Every Tuesday for the last couple of months, they have this thing called a baker's dozen, where you get 13 bagels for $6.99. And you can choose whichever ones you want. They're not going to just pick whatever you want. And I mean, it shakes it out to 53 cents per bagel. And it's not like, they're very flavorful. They're an awesome bagel and pretty hearty. You have one of these, you're set for pretty much the whole day. But it shakes it out to like 53 cents per bagel. And I mean, that's just really fantastic to pay $6.99 for this. You have to download the Panera app, but it's pretty easy to do. And just opt for the baker's dozen. It's Tuesday only as well. Now, how I got mine for free this morning, if you must know, is I used a $10 Fetch Rewards gift card, and you can get up to a $10 Panera gift card, and you can use it on the app. I mean, it works perfectly, and I didn't even have to open my wallet for this one. So it's really fantastic. And if you love bagels like me, Tuesday's definitely the day to load up. What is the Fetch Rewards app? Well, it is one of the most terrific apps out there for shopping extreme couponing. You basically download it. There's a link and a referral code in the notes. It's also on the screen here. And you photograph a receipt. It could be anything. It could be a Panera iced coffee you bought yesterday. It could be a pack of gum that you got at Walgreens. It could be anything. Download the app. Use my referral code, photograph a receipt, get an extra 2,000 points right there for that first receipt. This is for new signups only, but how fantastic is that? And that is $2. And I think at $5 you can get a Panera gift card. So it is a really terrific app. And if you want something like a treat for the family, like 13 bagels for $6.99 and throw in one of these gift cards, that's just the way to do it. And something else I noticed, because today is September the 1st, they have a new little thing on the Fetch Rewards app, and this is really cool too. So it's from September the 1st right till the 30th of November. When you spend $30 on selected Unilever products at certain stores, it's not every store, you're going to get back $10, guys. Spend 30, get back 10. That's 1/3 back on Unilever products. Like, hi, that's amazing. Even based on that for your grocery shopping, for products that you buy, like Ben & Jerry's, Breyer, if you like ice cream, Talenti Gelato is part of it as well. But it's not only junk food. There's also like Hellmann's, like the mayonnaises, that sort of stuff, the Nora Rices, the P&G teas, popsicles, just so many different products. Definitely check this out in the app, and to get 1/3 back, like honestly, even just the little things we buy at our house, if you ever buy the Talenti Gelato, that is not cheap. It's like usually, $5 to $6 for one of those pints, but if you've ever tried it, it's absolutely worth. I mean, it's just an experience having that ice cream. It's so good. And if you're just going to really treat yourself once in a while, it's the way to go. But if you're buying it between September the 1st right till the end of November, you can probably get to $30 just for that one purchase of ice cream. So absolutely go through your discoveries page, see if you have it, guys. And this is just fantastic. So anyhow, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.